Hello, my name is Luis Angel Lora Moreno, and today we are going to talk about planet obsolescence. Is a problematic? Okay. What is plant obsolescence? In economic and industrial design, plant obsolescence is a policy of planning or designing a product with an artificially limit useful life or a purposely frail design, so that it becomes obsolete after a certain predetermined period of time, upon which it decrementally functions or suddenly ceases to function, or might be perceived as unfashionable. The rationale behind this strategy is to generate long-term sales volume by reducing the time between repeat purchases, referred to as shortening the replacement cycle. It is the deliberate shortening of a lifespan of a product to force people to purchase functional replacement. Types of planned obsolescence. We have three types of obsolescence. First, of functions. It occurs when a more advanced product goes on sale, that is, with new function. Of quality, the product after having a short time of use begins to present faults and malfunctions. And the last is of desire. It happens when a more advanced product goes on sale and people change the one they already have used for reasons of style fashion. What products are affected by planned obsolescence? Cars and other types of vehicles are clear examples, but also in electronics like computers, televisions, or mobile phones, to household appliances such as washing machines, dishwashers, microwave, etc. Fashion, being the textile industry, one of the most polluting, also enter this wheel as well as toys or even furniture. Why is planned obsolescence a problem? The dark side of this spiral that pushes us to continually renew certain products is that it generates huge amount of waste, specifically technological waste, and there is an overexploitation of resources that affect the environment. The accumulation of this waste, which still has an insufficient recycling rate, translates into a deterioration of the environment, which in turn has an impact on climate change. In addition to causing permanent dissatisfaction in buyers who get into debt or develop stress in order to get the latest models. Disadvantage of planned obsolescence. It generates waste. The constant production and sale of all kinds of products generates all kinds of waste of different materials, both recyclable and non-recyclable. It generates other environmental impacts, large consumption of water, energy from various sources, and natural resources in general, such as raw materials for products. Lack of respect for the consumer. For a good part of the population, this behavior on the part of companies is unethical, both for the consumers themselves, since there are also very expensive products that are give a very short life, such as for the environment. How to combat plant obsolescence? The idea of plant obsolescence is to make us buy new products, but before going to buy a new one, we can try other things, such as repairing the product, changing the parts as necessary. If we protect our electronic device with some protective case, we can avoid certain damage, and this can extend the life of our device. We can conclude that while planned obsolescence can help accelerate innovation, economic growth, and improve consumer welfare, it is true that it can also generate social costs for damaging the environment. Under pressure to frequently renew our products, we must be critical and responsible. We are all involved in the sustainable maintenance of our living conditions. And that's it. Thank you for your attention.